Do you want to retire early in about 5 to 7 years? If so, buy these rental properties in this housing market. Welcome back. So let's take a deep dive. Here we go. All right. Financial freedom in 5 to 7 years. How does that sound? First, please unleash your dry powder. Use your savings for down payments. Liquidate your stocks. Increase your home equity line of credit if you qualify. Cash out refinance on your existing investment portfolio for those of you have a decent portfolio. And if you have some IRA accounts in several brokerages, convert them to a self-directed IRA to buy rental properties in this market inside your IRA. All right, let's continue. Again, this is your blueprint to accelerate your retirement. Buy as many properties in this particular hot market as quickly as possible. Not every one of you can do it, but some of you can do it. All you have to do is find some motivations, find some inspirations and commitment. You can do it, and I'll show you how in this very short video. All right, buy as many as you can based on your comfort level and your motivation in the next 1 to 3 years before this housing market turns and you cannot afford to buy cash flows anymore. But right now, it's a prime time to buy. Take advantage of this window of opportunity at the beginning of the growth of this amazing historical rental investment market. Okay, here we go. This is the type of property you're going to buy. I'm not going to cover all the numbers. The numbers is off the chart. This is the blueprint criteria. The property, single family home, brand new construction, around 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths. In this case, for 1419 square foot, 1-car garage for $225K. This is absolutely amazing. Put down 20 to 25% down payment. This property rent for $1,650 for right now, but the rent you can collect will skyrocket. Okay, just bear with me. I will describe later. At the end of the day, you have a very good cap or cap rate return, cash on cash return, that is, cap rate and all that. At the projection over here calls for potentially as an exit strategy. I know the number is small, but anyway, just bear in mind what I'm trying to say here. Monthly net cash flow is anywhere from around in the mid 400, even $500 per month, first year, for monthly net positive cash flow after all the deductions. And the property tax rate in this Texas market is a little bit over 1%. That's right. I did not stutter. A little bit over 1%, which is absolutely incredible. Low purchase point. You buy in a path of growth, amazing cash flow, amazing potential for appreciation based on the current metrics, trends, data, etc. All right. So this is amazing. You buy this kind of property you can't find anywhere else in the country. Such a low price point, brand new in a very fast growing multiple boom towns, rural boom town, small town USA, I call it. All right. Numerous boom towns in this particular pocket and this amazing number one fastest growing housing market in the country for the next few years. Okay. The builder in this particular builder in this market, they're going to give you a builder incentive. They're going to buy down the rate for you, 30-year fixed rate mortgage, 5.75%. They're going to pay a couple dollars of closing costs for you. And if you use their preferred lender, and they also going to give the first year of property management fee waived. So you can have even more cash flow. You can buy $225K. If you want to buy a higher up, $230,000, brand new construction, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage for only $230,000. This is absolutely incredible. And rents for $1,700. This is a potentially low rent. This rent will increase quite significantly in the next few years. This metric is just absolutely amazing. Monthly net cash flow is approximately $413. This is just a pro forma. It's just a projection. But and again, incredible cap rate, 7%, incredible cash on cash return. And it's just mind boggling. This kind of price point will not going to last forever. Prices, rent, cash flow, and housing prices will increase quite dramatically in the next few years because this is the beginning of the growth. It's just simply amazing. This type of purchases, there are some duplex and fourplexes available, not that many in this particular region, in this particular market. I don't have time to go over it. We have more inventories on a weekly basis coming to you from our turnkey provider in the local market, and the property management, the whole one-stop shop. It's just regardless of where you live in the country, you could buy long distance remote and have the professional property management help you manage your properties for years and years to come. You could pretty much become almost a passive investor buying this incredible, fast growing housing market. And who are the renters? The renter are moving in these locations. They are typically 50% of all the potential renters, and the people moving in these small boom towns. So imagine, okay, all right. So 50% of people moving in these locations are the influx of people come in to get the high tech jobs in this market. They make more than 150K, high income earners, right? And only 17% earn less than $75,000. So go figure, right? So the rent income ratio is absolutely incredible. You're going to get some best class, A class tenants for your properties for a long time to come. Of course, I know it is a very strong market, as I already told you, because of the migration, because of influx of people coming into this market. You can have a very high rent growth, therefore increasing your cash flow quite dramatically beyond today. All right. So again, 59% of the people going to come to this market, they're not ready to buy yet, so they will be renting for the foreseeable future. So 41% of them will buy a home fairly quickly because they have such a high income. They can buy $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 single family homes as a primary owner occupied, right? However, 60% of people, even with the income, as I stated, they will want to rent for a few years until they get situated, until their high-tech jobs get stabilized, all right? Meanwhile, when you buy this brand new, great locations, great neighborhood, and this great market, you will be able to get this renter to pay down your rent, pay your mortgage, make you rich pretty much, right? All right. So again, very high occupancy, obviously, because in this market, there's a severe shortage of housing. There are so many thousands of high-tech jobs. The builders, the developers are unable to keep up with the demand. They're trying to build as many homes as possible to accommodate the people moving in this region, which is in Texas, right? North Texas, we're talking about, right? When you're able to buy 3 or 5 or more rental properties or on a property I just discussed, then in about 2 to 6 years from today, once a lot of those property, I don't know, I don't have a crystal ball, but I have to assume we're going to see tremendous appreciation at the beginning, the path of growth in this emerging market. Hold those portfolio you have purchased for the 2 to 6 years. Then you can either sell the property, 1031 into multi-units, whatever you want to do in the future, or better recommendation for me is to do a cash out refinance on the existing property after 2 to 6 years and leverage and scale to convert cash out refinance tax-free, by the way, to buy even more properties than your initial property you would have purchased in the first 1 to 2 years. And then repeat the process down the road, keep on scaling, keep on cash out refinancing to scale to multiple properties beyond your imagination. Okay. Again, most critical is the window of opportunity. Buy at the beginning of the development is key before home prices will skyrocket. And the market, as I discussed, is Dallas DFW market, massive growth. Right now, this Dallas mega region, Dallas Metroplex, already have 8.1 million people, which is absolutely amazing. Upcoming projects is massive. I'm not going to even go to that. You compare to all the major metros in the country, the median home price in this metro, in the suburban North Texas, is even less than $400,000. Imagine So if you can buy investment property for 200, 250 grand, $225,000 as a real estate investor, you are hitting a gold mine. You're winning a lottery. Okay. And furthermore, there's more in Texas. There are more Fortune 500 companies in this metro than anywhere else in the country. And a whole bunch of companies are moving into Dallas, Fort Worth, and the suburban areas, as we alluded to. Okay. Tremendous migration, the economy and the capital markets in Texas and North Texas is absolutely skyrocketing. Right now, Texas is a little bit behind California in terms of total population. Texas is 29 million, and right now in California is 39 million. Okay, and then, but however, by 2040, which is amazing, 2040, which is only 15 years away, the population projection in Texas will be 36 million, from 29 to 36 million, compared to California, 42 million. So as a matter of fact, in my estimation, in about 35 years from now, Dallas will have the largest metro. Dallas will be larger have more population in about 35 years from now than California, Orange County, and Los Angeles County combined. Okay. Right now, Dallas metro is soon to be the third largest metro. Number one is New York City. Number two is Los Angeles and Orange County. And number three is Chicago. And Dallas will exceed Chicago in a couple of years. That's how fast the Dallas mega region is growing. The homes that we're targeting is a small town USA. That's what I call it. Rural towns. Sherman, Denison, Bottom, and Greenville. And there are a few other submarkets we can talk about in a few more slides down the road. So this is the area that we're concentrating in. Single family home, as you already saw, 200 to 275K single family home, brand new. This is the opportunity available for you. Okay. These kind of small towns, like 5 or 10 years ago, have only like 10 to 15,000 people. In a mere 5 years, this town has grown to 40, 50,000 people right north of Dallas, suburban. Okay. Path of growth, an hour drive, give or take, to the north and northeast and to the east of Dallas core downtown. Okay. We talk about Grayson County and Collin County. These two counties, which is part of those little cities we just discussed, is the fastest growing county in the country. Okay. Grayson and Collin County. Again, median home price only $315K, which is incredible. They already appreciated 5% year over year from 2023 to 2024. As you can see here, from 2024 to 2025, you have to believe it's going to be more than 5%. Again, the other sub-market in this North Texas that we are talking about is, according to the U.S. Census Bureau, fastest growing cities. Look at number 1, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, the top 10 growing cities in the country, according to the U.S. Census Bureau, are all located in North Texas. And we have new construction homes available from all the builders in the area. Our team have it, such as Selena, Roy City, Melissa, Princeton, Anna, Forney. This amazing, fast-growing, small-town USA boom towns. Look at it. Double-digit, triple-digit growth year over year in the last few years. It's just absolutely incredible. Why? Because high-tech companies, semiconductors, plants are coming to a city such as in Sherman, Texas, a city of 45,000 has landed these 2 multi-billion-dollar projects, as you can see right here, and with thousands of jobs, high-tech, high-income jobs coming into the area in the next few years. This hub is a high-tech future here in Sherman and the surrounding areas, which is Texas Instruments and Global Tech. Okay, look at how many thousands of jobs. It's totally mind-boggling. There's a housing shortage in North Texas. It'll take years to catch up with the housing. Economics 101, when the demand are higher than supply, it'll put upward pressure on home prices And this is what's happening in North Texas. Just read on your own. Amazing population growth, job growth, influx of people moving into these small towns because amazingly, those high-tech companies, those semiconductor hub companies are moving into these little small towns because the business infrastructure is so desirable to do business. Okay. So all this information, you can look it up anywhere. It's just amazing growth in North Texas. It is Silicon Valley. It is a tech boom of North Texas. And 1,000 people moving Texas every day, and half of them are going into North Texas on the small towns we just discussed. So are you ready? Are you geared up for this amazing business year ever for North Texas? As a real estate investor, this is your chance. Once in a lifetime opportunity to really make it, to really take action. I know not all of you have the ability to buy multiple properties in the first few years. It's the path of growth. Take advantage of it, because if you wait 4 to 5 years before you buy in this kind of market, here's my contact information. If you wait too long to enter this market, it's over. You can't do it anymore. In 3, 4, 5 years, the housing prices on the single family home we just discussed has skyrocketed so much, but the rent would not be able to catch up. So you can't cash flow anymore. We can't promote this kind of single family homes anymore 4 to 5 years from now, because you get in early. You get in when at the beginning of the growth. That's the key. You need a sense of urgency. Okay. Procrastination is not in your vocabulary. That's the bottom line. All right. So that's all I have to say. Thank you so much. If you received any value on this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make comment yourself. I mean, if you live in a Texas area, share, comment below. I'm sure about the growth in your particular area in North Texas, or anywhere in Dallas area you live in. I'm sure you have heard about what's going on in this kind of submarkets in terms of growth. One more thing is I'm going to ask you to put your email at the bottom of the description here on my website. And when you put your email, you become a free member of our investment network. So you can learn about not only investment opportunities here in North Texas, but with other markets. We are also helping investors to buy turnkey cash flow properties in the emerging markets in other areas of the U.S. as well. Free member to be a member of our investment community. Take action in this particular sector of Texas, and you will achieve your financial freedom goal in about 3 to 5 years. It's that simple. Thank you so much. Seewing Yee. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.